Here's how you can make a world full of TNT that is flat. So you want to go to create new world and you want to name it, or anything that you want. I'm going to just name it flat world 1 because we're going to use just one block of TNT. So for game mode, you want to set it to creative mode. About sheets should be on, difficulty can be anything that you want, generate structures, that's up to you if you want villages or not. And then go into world type Superflat, customize it, and here we want to replace the grass block that is at the top. So we're gonna find this grass block part and we're gonna delete it, and we're gonna type TNT instead. So this is gonna cover the world with one block of TNT, and let's create it and see what happens. And there you have it. So we have our village right there behind me. We also have our slimes. So this is like a normal Superflat world, except there's a layer of TNT on top. And I'm gonna blow it up in a second. Let's just explore the village first and see what's going on there. And it looks like a nice village. It has everything that you need for life. So it has your crops, it has your animals, and well, let's blow it up because it's way too nice. This is probably going to blow up my computer as well, even though it's just one layer of TNT, but still, it's an infinite world of TNT. But let's set the render distance to 20, so you get a better explosion. Here you have the explosion. Just like that, just the water is left, although there's the iron golem, and there is a cobblestone block, like just one only cobblestone block that's left. I wonder how that happened. But if you keep going, it's actually going to keep exploding, which creates